Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to remove Facebook page from Instagram profile. So let's get started. First, open up Instagram. Now head over to your profile. Click on Edit Profile. Then you're going to scroll down and you're going to click on Page right here. Your Facebook page should show up here if it is connected to your Instagram account. In my case, this is what pops up for me because I do not have my Facebook page connected to this account. But anyway, after you click on Page, it'll show you some options and you can just go ahead and click on Remove Page. That's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please consider dropping a like and subscribing to the channel.